Have you ever stood in front of the mirror and tried to convince yourself that you're happy? Kung napapansin nyo, sa panahon ngayon, parang ang hirap-hirap maging happy. Yung may makakain ka naman, may matitirhan, may trabaho, at kahit paano, nabibili ang mga gusto mo. Pero bakit parang hindi mo pa rin ramdam? Kasi the world is fixating on the things that we lack. Oh, kulang ka sa height, kulang ka sa ganda, kulang ka sa gwapo, kulang ka sa sexy, kulang ka sa talino, kulang ka sa yaman, and you are not lovable enough. And the thing is, we allow ourselves to conform to these standards, believing that to be happy, we need to have more and we need to be more, that we fail to appreciate the things that we have at present. If only we take a pause and look back, it's when we'll realize that the things we have right now are the things that we used to pray for. And maybe the key to happiness isn't having more, but learning to appreciate.